Lunsa ka, sir?
Mag-wire.
Kaya kagisuot si Sir Pink. Yung short pink. Yung gloves pink. Okay. Parang may something. Mahilig siya sa pink.
Something dampong.
Oo, yung short pink. Ano yun, humantulo kay ka ng isa. Katam ng sampalok. Katam ng miyagi na iyang giripat. Ang very wiring niya. Karang tulo mo rin naman niya. Dahil yun, parang nana siya ka-busy. Very handsome.
Handsome yun ni guys.
Grabe ka gwapo. Grabe ko. Grabe ka labong ubo. Ang gilay. Ang ilong. See? Perting gubuha. Kasi tawagan na sir mong di style sa imong pag-wire. Abra yung mga tawag ana. Kana sir unsa man ha? Saman dun na.
Pasagad wiring.
Pasagad wiring? At least na ipasagad.
Pasagad wiring. Si Armisin na ngayon. Kuhan, dako na daw yung bonsai. Armisin. Armisin. Oy, rural transit. Dako na daw yung bonsai.
Grabe ka sir no? Kaya pagkatanuma ana sir, ikaw dyan nagpadako ana sir, ikaw dyan nagtanuma na.
Siyempre.
Nga kapila na ka na og ilis-ilis og wire sir.
Kapila na yan.
Naglibog ganang tanong.
Tugas niya siya guys. Tugas jinsan.
Murag kamot ba? Murag manipa.
Pagsisit ba pag ano to?
Basta ibalog-balog sir mo na bonsai. Basta ibalog-balog.
Lahat na nakalagay sa pot considered as bonsai.
Why?
Try to imagine the definition, di ba? From the word Japanese, bon, meaning
What is bone?
shallow. Shallow.
What is
Bon.
sai?
Sai is planting or cultivations. So, lahat ng mailalagay natin sa pot. Pero actually, it is not considered as a bonsai if they don't have branches. But some others definitions, those who are expert. So from the word bon, so is it considered all the types of the plants who are planting in the pot is considered as bonsai? It is because they are growing. When we see sai is planting or cultivations, and you are nurturing these plants in order to be grow as old tree. So that's why, because derived from the words and the Chinese for how many long years ED, mga kaibigan. It's derived from the Chinese words pinjing. Pinjing. Ang tawag na it is considered before. Because the Chinese is the one to first develop ornamental plants in the pot, or developing dwarf trees in the pot. So that's why Chinese army before, they don't like to years to be in this generations. It's considered for bonsai. And then the Japanese redefine and redevelop all the types of the concept from the Chinese. So that's why mayroon tayong tinatawag na ganito. Bonsai.
Unsa nga first nga tanom sir nga gihimo nilang bonsai?
For me, ito, tamarin. Dami. Sa akin, dami.
Unsay masuggest nimo sir nga pwede i-bonsai?
You can, you make a bonsai, the trees who are not, not maselan, yung madaling mabuhay. Tugas. You know, in Philippines, exotic here is tugas.
Dahan na pug namatay sa imo sir?
Dami ho. Namatay lang, dami.
Saktan ka ba?
Yes, siyempre. It is our alaga. It's our bonsai. So, there is something would happen to them. Shall be to be subjected to our to be here. Mga kaibigan. Para yung nasasaktan, para tayong
Yung nakahiga ka, sabi mo, sayang, uy, namatay. Kahit matutulog ka na, sabihin mo, sayang.
sayang. Yes. Sayang actually is.
Inalagaan mo nilang years, manawala.
Alagaan mo na lang to.
Parang uyab.
Labaw pa ni sa uyab.
Ha?
Labaw pa sa uyab. Uyab, pwede man ilisan. Ang bonsai, ganun man mailisan.
Ano sir?
Ang bonsai, di mailisan. Ang uyab, ilisan mo na.
Pero at least ang asawa, di may lisan.
Dugangan.
Yaga-yaga-ot kayo.
Yes.
Pero, the beneficiary is the wife, right?
Yeah.
Only the wife, right?
Only the wife who are the beneficiary of all that. Be careful.
Be careful who you choose. You choose a married one, you don't have any beneficiary.
Yung mga babaeng mahilig sa
May asawa.
mahilig sa may ganun no, may ganun ng mga babae mahilig sa may asawa. So try to think about it kasi
Wala kang benepisyo.
wala kang benepisyo dyan.
Only the wife.
Only the wife are beneficiary of all. Kaya tayo, saan kayo pupuntang lawyer, ganun. It's all about wife. It's all about wife.